Hello everyone, welcome to HR Trends. So today we are going to discuss the topic which is managerial responsibilities. Before starting, as always, please subscribe to our channel for latest updated videos of HR trainings. Please press the bell icon for the latest notifications of the HR videos. Thanks a lot. So coming to the topic, first of all, we will look at the definition of manager. So a manager is an individual that supervises both activities and people within a given organization. In other terms, it is the person in charge of overseeing things that to get done. The concept of figure of a manager is mainly related to business environments. The managing function can be extended to different scopes by applying the underlying concept. A manager is someone that has the responsibility of getting things done. He normally manages both people and resources. He has to plan, organize, execute, and control all the activities he has been delegated with by using all available resources to do it effectively. Managers normally have enough authority to require and dispose resources as needed. So now we will look at types of managers. Number 1, top level managers. Number 2, middle managers. Number 3, line managers. So the first type of managers is top level managers or C-suite executives. These managers take overall responsibility for the running of the company. They are responsible for the wider business strategy and ensuring that it complies with all relevant rules and legislation. They focus on business growth, achievements, investments, product portfolios, and external partnerships. They may be seen as the face of the company. For example, Bill Gates from Microsoft. So the next type of manager is middle managers. They are responsible for specific departments, whereas they do need to consider wider business strategy. They take direction on this from their senior teams, leaving them to focus on managing their day-to-day tasks. Middle management plays an important role. It is the link between the on-ground workers and the senior management teams. So the next type of manager is line managers, team leaders. They are usually the first step on the managerial ladder. These people are responsible for the day-to-day running of the operation, but unlike middle managers, do not need to consider the broader perspectives. They may be responsible for recruitment within their team and the operational tasks involved in ensuring work is completed on time and within budget. So now we will discuss essential skills to become a manager. Here are the some of essential skills that great managers need to have. Number 1, communication skills. Number 2, critical thinking. Number 3, decision-making skills. Number 4, delegation skills. Number 5, financial insight. Number 6, leadership skills. Number 7, project management skills. And number 8, technical knowledge. So the number 1 is communication skills. What sets a great manager apart from a good manager is their ability to communicate effectively with their staff. A manager must be able to clearly explain their corporate vision whether it is an ambitious growth plan led by top-level managers or a specific job task explained to junior staff. Knowing how to talk to people can play an important role in maintaining motivation and improving a co-worker's performance. The number second is critical thinking. Managers need to listen to what is being said and, more importantly, understand what is not being said. They need to have the analytical and critical thinking skills to think beyond the initial problem or situation and establish ways to overcome the issue. As managers work their way up, this becomes a more conceptual skill. They need to understand the wider implications of their decisions, which may have long-lasting consequences for the business. Number third is decision-making skills. Managers are in charge for all the decision-making in the business, from choosing which staff member will do which task to recruitment plans and spotting expansion opportunities. Whether you are a line manager, team leader, your days will be spent making decisions that may have lasting effects on a business. The next one is delegation skills. One of the hardest skills for any manager is delegating. It may be tempting to do it all yourself simply, but success will rely on delegating tasks or even decision to other people while not micromanaging. So the next one is financial insight. As you progress in your managerial career, you will likely take on more fiscal responsibility. The manager's role will include responsibility for budget, from small projects through to large departments. You must understand cash flow and provide business cases for investment in new opportunities. Much of your time will be spent evaluating return on investments and understanding how to make money. So the next one is leadership skills. Managers need to be inspiring. They need to be able to lead effectively through calm, collective choices and encourage people to want to work for them. Great managers can lead others to work to the best of their ability and work as a part of a team. So the next one is project management skills. To get a higher level managerial position, you must have demonstrable proof of taking a project to completion from start to finish. You will need to show you can put the right team in place, trust them to do the work you delegate, and that you also know when to get involved to provide help and support. The next one is technical knowledge. This is an often overlooked managerial skill, but you need to have a deep knowledge of your profession. You cannot manage a team of sales or marketing if you do not have the vaguest idea of doing marketing of your product or services. If you have worked your way up from the bottom, you should understand what your business does. But if you are new to company, you need to show your knowledge. Now we are going to discuss roles and responsibilities of a manager. Number one, ensuring smooth operations. Number two, collaboration with the HR department. Number three, objective settings. Number four, communicating with people. We will discuss all these points in detail in the upcoming slides. So the number one is ensuring smooth operations. As a manager, you take full duty for ensuring that the day-to-day operations of the business are functioning effectively within your remit. You will be responsible for budgets and financial responsibilities and ensuring that your cash flow remains positive. This may include writing a business case for any investment into new products, services, or technologies that can be used to help you grow your business. So the next one is collaboration with the HR department. Working closely with your HR team to help identify recruitment needs and training opportunities is important in a managerial role. You will be involved in staffing issues from hiring to training and setting KPIs and achievable goals. You could also be heavily involved in the career development of your staff, helping them develop new skills and progress their abilities to improve your team. So the next one is objective setting. To facilitate business growth, you must set a wide range of short-term and long-term goals that will keep you motivated and on track. Establish what is achievable for your team's existing capabilities and then, in conjunction with training, push beyond with realistic ambitions. You will have to write strategic reports outlining your achievements and showing an understanding of your strengths and weaknesses. So the next one is communicating with people. Great managers cannot work in silos, keeping their cards close to their chest and not sharing information with others working toward a common goal. The role of the manager is to be an effective team player, leading by example. They need to show that they can motivate and inspire while also recognizing achievements from individuals and rewarding them accordingly. They need to collaborate and work closely with their specific teams, as well as communicating upwards along the managerial chain. Taking responsibility for clear communication, managers ensure everyone is working towards the same goal. Now we are going to discuss how to become a good manager. Here are a few steps by following which you can ensure that you are the best manager that you can be. Number one, take inspiration from others. Number two, have confidence in your abilities. Number three, take your time to develop your managerial style. The first step to become a good manager is take inspiration from others. Think back to anyone you have worked with or been managed by and what their strengths and weaknesses were. Try and consider your own individual working preferences. Do you require continual monitoring and evaluation, or do you crave freedom and creativity? In your role as a manager, try to think about what you need to work as effectively as possible. The next step is have confidence in your abilities. When listening to other colleagues, you must remember that you are in charge. You need to feel confident in your decision-making criteria and believe in yourself. With this confidence, you can build trust with your employees and they will have greater respect for you. So the next one is take your time to develop your managerial style. Each team will have its ways of working, and if you are coming in new to a new role as a manager, you need to take time to see how things function before you implement any changes. You need to adaptable. What may have worked well in one managerial role may not be as efficient in a new company with new people with different skills. You may also need to offer different approaches for individuals. Some employees may be hugely competitive and responsive to reward schemes. Others may need a more encouragement managers who can give them a supportive path when needed. So now we will come to conclusion. In this video, we have tried to explain to you the specific role of a manager and what skills are required to become a good manager. A manager helps a business function as effectively as it should. As a result, managers need to have a distinct skill set beyond the technical proficiencies of a particular profession. Not everyone is suited to management. More of your time will be spent away from what you are trained to do, and you will spend much more time on focusing on administrative tasks. So at the end, thanks a lot for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel for latest upcoming videos on our channel. Thanks a lot.